How to make a custom alarm on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your clock, and then let's just go back here, and then on the bottom part you'll see 4 different options, right? So what you want to do is to go to alarms here, and basically you will see all your alarms. Since let's say you want to make a custom alarm on iPhone, so let's say you want to create a customized ringtone for it, then what you're gonna do is on the upper right you'll see the plus icon there. Click on that, and here you will set the alarm that you want to wake up or like alarm it with. So let's say 12:45 p.m. here, and then tap on repeat every Friday, and just go back here, and you can label it. It actually depends on you, so just want to put toots here. And then for the sounds, it's actually set on sprinkles. Now since you want to customize your alarm, click on that, and here scroll all the way up, and then you will see the store here. You can actually buy a tone for your alarm, but then if you want to buy, then tap on the tone store here, or download all the purchased tones here, and basically it will just add up here all the ringtones that you just bought. Now the other way is if you have a song to your library on iPhone, so you have to pick a song here. And as you can see, I don't have any songs actually, but if you do have one, then you will see it here, and just click on that, and basically you're up to go. You're ready to go, and you have successfully made a custom alarm on iPhone. And basically that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.